you?
Sir, I am the new assistant loco pilot. I am joining duty today.
Oh, you are Karthik Kumar? Welcome to Indian Railways. Here is your appointment letter.
Thanks, sir.
Shouldn't you be reporting for first day training? Who is your reporting officer?
Sir, I think it's someone called Satidar.
Oh well. Good luck out there.
1265 passenger express is scheduled departing from platform number 6.
Are you Karthik Kumar?
Yes, sir.
You are late.
Sir, I went to collect my appointment.
I do not want any excuses.
Sorry, sir. It won't happen again.
Now get in quickly. We do not have holiday.
Arriving at platform number.
I do not know what they taught you at the loco pilot.
Attention. Train number 1.
Push the throttle gently. I do not know what they taught you.
Your kind attention. Train
Push the throttle gently.
5.
Good. Now keep going and reach a speed of 40. Some more. Clean one. Do you think you can handle more speed? Okay then. Quickly speed up to 60. Some more. Not bad at all, Karthik. I will take it from here. This is just the beginning, Mr. Kumar. There's a lot you need to grow. I have something for you.
What is it, sir?
Here is your email.
Thank you, sir.
And here is your walkie-talkie. Keep this safe and with you at all times.
Thank you, sir.
I will teach you how to use it tomorrow. Do not be late again.
You are Karthik Kumar to others. To me, you will always be a Dhanda Pani. Anyway, what are you doing here? I didn't expect to see you.
I have joined work here.
I didn't know they were hiring a gangman. I would have personally recommended your name if I knew.
Haha, very funny. You know we both studied to become loco pilots.
What? You? A loco pilot? Hahaha. This is too funny. I thought you would never graduate from the academy.
You haven't changed at all, have you?
See you around. Loco pilot.
I see that you arrived on time.
Yes, sir.
What was that man telling you?
You Rajiv, sir, nothing we studied together. He was my senior at the academy, sir.
I trained him too. Hope you are better than him. I hope you remember what you learned yesterday. Always blow horn before you.
Passenger express is scheduled.
Now depart from station and attain the speed of 40. Good. Now keep going and reach Arakkonam.
What was that, sir? Sir, did I do something wrong?
No, that wasn't you. Somebody pulled the alarm fail.
Take out your walkie-talkie and do as I say.
Attention loco pilot. This is the guard.
Looks like someone has pulled the chain. Check immediately.
Who pulled the chain?
Two girls pulled the chain. There were number.
What was their seat number?
They were traveling investigator, sir.
Okay, I will inform the loco pilot. Thanks. The chain was pulled in S4 coach. I have reset the ACP. Ready to leave now. Can you submit report to the RM?
I will.
You handled that very well. I am working on speed testing a new top secret loco. The trials are scheduled tomorrow.
That sounds really fascinating, sir.
It is. I want you to take part in it and assist me. I hear the minister will be coming for inauguration.
This is very exciting, sir.
So be here at 8 am sharp tomorrow. You will meet Miss Kavitha. She is also on.
Satada sir said you may not come on time.
I was late one time, but he will never stop mentioning that, I guess.
First impressions matter. Hi, I'm Kavita. I'm the loco engineer.
Hi. Karthik. Satada sir informed me you are on the team. Is there anything I need to know about the mission today?
We are performing the final trials of the new loco developed indigenously in Banaras. If today's test goes well, we may end up breaking the old speed record.
What is the current record?
The current speed record is 206 kilometers per hour in 60 seconds. We have to break that today.
That sounds very challenging.
Yes, but we are positive. Look, Satada sir has come. Let's get into the loco.
1, 2, 6.
The route is cleared for us. All speed limits are disabled. Our goal is to break the speed record in 45 seconds or less.
Your kind attention, please.
Kavitha, when I tell you, start the countdown.
6, 5, 5.
Karthik, as soon as the timer starts, push the throttle to full.
Number 4.
Are you both ready? On my countdown.
Your kind attention, please.
3,
Train
2,
number
1. Start.
6, 5, 5. Passenger Express is scheduled.
Keep going. We have to create a new India speed record.
Fantastic report team. We have done it.
Final trail zones goes to the start. The loco is ready for
Yeah, just willing to drive, sir.
everyone on the mission today has received a Fremont certificate of today's speed record. Here is your copy.
Thanks, sir.
Station master just confirmed to me that minister has accepted our invitation for inaugural run of the loco.
That's great news, sir.
We should start preparing for inauguration. It will be a special day for us all. Hello Karthik.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Your voice sounds bad.
I am not feeling well. I am afraid I can't be there for the inauguration tomorrow.
But, sir, you are being felicitated. You were looking forward to this day so much.
Ah, such is life. It is okay. That is why I want you to be there instead of me. You will drive the inaugural run.
Sir, but how? I can't do it without you.
You must. Station master suggested Rajibhar's name, but I insisted it must be you.
I don't know what to say.
In the morning, go to my office and pick up the suit I stitched for the inauguration.
Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Passenger Express
For the last 6 months, after multiple trials and due to tireless work of our engineers, we successfully completed just last week. Under the guidance of Mr. Sathidar, Assistant Loco Pilot Karthik Kumar and Engineer Kavita Bhatt. Together they have shattered the India speed record and made the world turn. Since Sathidar couldn't join us today, I request Mr. Karthik Kumar to come forward to receive this medal.
Train number 12655 Passenger Express on
Now I will travel from Bangalore to Banyandadi in this new creation of Indian Railways.
passengers. Your kind attention. Train number 12655 Passenger Express
Good morning, Beta. I have always wanted to travel in the loco cabin. My dream has finally come true. Is that the horn? Shall I press it? Aha! What an awesome sound! How do you guys drive in rain, Beta? Point me to the wiper. I will turn it on. It's quite cool. You can turn it off now. Beta, is this the headlight? Wow! So bright even during daytime. Thanks for indulging me, Beta. My curiosity got the better of me.
Six five five Passenger Express is arriving at platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655
Thick, right?
Yes, sir.
It was a good inauguration ceremony yesterday. You look sharp in that suit.
Thank you, sir.
You seem to have adjusted well. I think Sathidar has mentored you well.
Yes, sir. Everyone has made me feel welcome here.
So, listen. The government is planning these trains to transport oxygen across country.
So when is this going to happen?
The details are still thin, but it's going to happen after they decide on a name for it. Right now, the higher-ups have asked me to look for able loco pilots for this critical mission.
We have Satada, sir.
Yes, but I think he won't be returning for at least 2 weeks. Anyway, off you go. We'll keep you posted. You will partner with Rajiv starting today.
Oh, okay, sir.
3. Passengers, your kind attention please.
Dhanda Pani. Looks like your Saturday sir is gone.
He'll be back, Rajiv.
I still can't believe you actually got this job. Whose recommendation did you have?
Not everyone has relatives in positions of power, Rajiv. Some of us have to work hard to succeed.
Oh, looks like I touched a nerve. We'll see how far your hard work takes you.
1, 2, 6, 5, 5. Passenger Express is passengers. Kind attention please. Train number 1, 6, 5, 5. Passenger
Array, call the DTR.
Hi, somebody pull the chain.
Looks like someone has pulled the chain.
Ari, these people have no job. They keep pulling chain for no reason and make us late.
Satada sir taught me to hope for the best, but prepare for the worst.
Okay, stop talking and tell that fat guard to reset the ACP.
Attention loco pilot, this is the guard.
Manohar ji, Karthik here.
There is an emergency situation.
What happened?
The PTR just informed me that there is a pregnant lady traveling in coach S3. She is having severe labor pains and immediately needs medical attention.
Some passenger pulled the chain in panic. Sir, that's not good. Should we go back?
Go back? Are you crazy? We can't go back now. We have come too far.
Then we have to rush and reach Arakonam as soon as possible.
You cannot reach Arakonam in 2 minutes. It's impossible.
It's not impossible if I can carefully exceed speed limit.
You can't risk the lives of everyone for one woman. We can't do anything to save her.
Manohar ji, I am going to try and reach Arakonam.
Good luck, Karthik. I will immediately reset ACP. We are ready to go.
Please inform the Arakonam station master so they can arrange for ambulance.
I will.
complete. Train number 1, 2,